You need to learn how to focus on the things that matter. What is the substance? I'll tell you how to choose GS Foundation course. I will provide you the insight, the insider view. Mind well, these are not educators or YouTubers. They are teachers. Many institutes don't have teachers who are actually qualified. आजकल एक नया कल्चर चल पड़ा है. आप इसकी अहमियत अभी नहीं समझोगे. Most of the institutes don't even think about it, and therefore there is no point asking them how to solve MCQs, how to write answers, how to write tests. Is there a segment of current affairs lecture also part of your GS Foundation course? We are commercially very happy, but as a teacher it's very painful scenario to सब घोड़े 12% नहीं होते हैं. इसमें कई सारे संदीप भैया जो होते हैं, they are appointed. From this year we have started 2 more initiatives. We are not a social media company but a traditional coaching. We don't go to the class to get the feeling of being an IAS. We go there to be an IAS. Hello students, June month is here. Every day thousands of students are coming to Delhi ORN with dreams in their eyes. At the beginning you are all inspired, motivated. You join some institute with enthusiasm. You trust them with your dream. But as time goes by, as you spend more time, as the months go by, the reality gradually dawns upon you. You may have chosen the institute based on its marketing, its appearance in Quora, or its advertisement in newspaper. Look at the rankers advertisement in newspaper. जो full page में बड़े-बड़े आते हैं. You know how much it costs? Minimum 8 to 10 lakh rupees every day. Every day. And what do they advertise? They look at the list of the rankers. They are not actually, most of them are not their classroom students. They have started to mention the courses. Look at the names. They are from free courses, test series, or in most cases, some interview guidance students. This is misleading. There is a lot of misinformation out. As an aspirant, when you select an institute which will help you fulfill your dream, you need to learn how to focus on the things that matter. What is the substance? Let us look at the second illustration. UPSC is still a very traditional exam. We need to learn to differentiate green from chaff. I'll tell you how to choose GS Foundation course. How well prepared you will be at the end of the course immediately. Will you be really prepared to give the attempt of 2025 with full capacity? So which places to join for GS Foundation is a very sensitive decision. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it based on herd mentality. Don't go by Quora. Don't go by YouTube. Don't go by anything else. With my experience of more than a decade of being a teacher here, I will provide you the insight, the insider view. It is a kind of a key that you should use, the questions you should ask before finalizing any institute for a GS Foundation. In next few minutes, I will discuss 7 parameters, and these parameters will help you in deciding the place you should join. आप जहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ ask these questions and note down the responses. Once you note down the responses, you compare the institute based on these 7 main parameters, and then you will arrive at your own conclusion. The first parameter to consider is that whether this GS Foundation course really is comprehensive. Is it a one-stop solution? Is it a full course? GS Foundation is not only about covering the static syllabus in over 300 lectures, लगभग 700 से 800 घंटे. Most places claim to cover comprehensively, but specifically ask whether they are also giving proper time to current affairs, prelims test series, mains test series, CSAT course, which has emerged to be very important, and essay writing module, which is a very important part of mains. CSAT for prelims, essay for mains. At the most places, these very core parts of your preparation are either sidelined, or if they do provide, they charge you separately. तो hidden cost भी होता है. Secondly, try to avoid performers and educators. At Level Up IAS, we have an extremely good team of faculty who are specially chosen from all the best institutes under one single roof. And mind well, these are not educators or YouTubers. They are teachers. The task of a teacher is not to provide only motivation and life ज्ञान. वो संदीप भैया कर लेते हैं. क्लास में थोड़े जोक्स, शेरो शायरी, they are fine, but they should be like salt in food. But what you will find at many places is that teachers are actually educators who focus more on theatrics. क्लास में परफॉर्मेंस टेक्स प्रेसिडेंस ओवर एक्चुअल टीचिंग फॉर देम. बट असली टीचर कौन होता है? असली टीचर वो होता है जो क्लास में आपको भले ही एंटरटेनिंग लगे या ना लगे, जब आप एग्ज़ाम हॉल में बैठे हो, एट दैट टाइम व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द एग्ज़ाम, वो आपको याद आए, एग्ज़ाम निकलने में हेल्पफुल हो. Many institutes don't have teachers who are actually qualified or who have real conceptual clarity. You know, there are no government rules about the minimum required qualification to become a teacher in coaching industry. To teach in a school or college, to be a bus driver, you have a minimum legally enforced minimum qualification criteria. But to be a coaching teacher, there is none. There is a lot of misguidance around, and try to stay away from that. At Level Up IAS, we are good at both prelims and main stages at the same time. It is a very rare skill to have. So foundation course really becomes your foundation of the entire preparation. आपको इस कोर्स के बाद में 1 साल बाद 10 जगह भागना नहीं पड़ता for this module and that module. Remember, the strength of the entire chain is always equal to strength of its weakest link. So when you inquire about GS Foundation, do inquire about the background of all the teachers and not only 1 or 2. Their years of experience, how many interviews they have given, etc. etc. At Level Up IAS, I can tell you that every single faculty that we have is vastly experienced with multiple interviews, or they have already cleared the exam themselves and then they have chosen to become teachers. There are some good faculties in every institute, as I said, star faculties, but there is also a lot of celebrity culture around, star faculty and celebrities. It becomes extremely difficult to talk to the faculties personally after first couple of months. They are not simply available. Sometimes because they work on hourly basis, they don't have any organic linkage with the students of any particular institute. Will you have a continuous and direct access to the faculty in person? आजकल एक नया कल्चर चल पड़ा है. If you know many institutes, in the back end they have SME culture. अब SME क्या है? They have employed many SMEs. SME means subject matter experts. These are actually senior students who have given 1-2 mains, शायद 1-2 interview, and then they prepare the content for the institute, which then teachers use to teach in the class. It is the SMEs who determine what to teach, not the teachers generally. And the teacher, rather than doing his or her own research at home and preparing his own class content, just becomes or reduces to a performer on stage. At Level Up IAS, as a matter of rule, all the teachers are personally their own content creators. Now come to the third parameter, scheduling of the course. आप इसकी अहमियत अभी नहीं समझोगे जब आप कोर्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हो एट दैट स्टेज, बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज अ वेरी क्रूशियल फैक्टर इन द सक्सेस ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन एंड लाइफ जर्नी ऑफ एज एन एस्पिरेंट. देखो, देर आर अबाउट 700+ hours of teaching. At Level Up, we cross the promise of 700 and reach up to 800 hours. इस पे we cover everything. By the time you reach November, जैसे बैच अगर जून में शुरू होती है, तो by the time you reach November, the foundational subject should be over. Only then you can give proper time for their revision. Either new faculty every day or one faculty continuously for 1.5 months. Both these models have their own problems. If you change subject every day, there is no continuity, as I said, but only confusion. If you stick with one subject for 6 weeks, then it gets boring and there is less cross linkages between subjects that should happen. ये दोनों extremes. At Level Up, what we have done is the balance of the two approaches. What we do is start 2 subjects at a time. Every week आपके 2 ही सब्जेक्ट चलते हैं. एक बार वो 2 शुरू हो गए तो 2 महीने चल के दोनों खत्म होंगे. And when these 2 subjects are over, then we open up 2 new subjects. That way, we ensure both continuity and completion. Now let us come to the 4th parameter, that is called pedagogy. मुश्किल वर्ड लगता है बड़ा सिंपल. It means philosophy of teaching, the style of teaching. Most of the institutes don't even think about it, and therefore there is no point asking them what is your pedagogy. जो थोड़े बहुत सोचते हैं उनको आप ये सवाल ज़रूर पूछ सकते हो कि explain your pedagogy to us. और ये सवाल बड़ा बेसिक है कि how are the classes structure. They should cover both basics and advanced. How to solve MCQs, how to write answers, how to write tests. But at many places in the class में while teaching वो 1, 2, 3 PYQ करा देते हैं just to demonstrate कि भाई कैसे क्वेश्चंस कवर किए जाए, तो गिव ए फीलिंग कि भाई आपको आता है. But are they covering the 10 years PYQs in a very systematic manner? We don't go to the class to get the feeling of being an IAS, we go there to be an IAS. 5वां parameter, that is current affairs. In last few years, current affairs have emerged as a very important aspect in your preparation. Many students spend hours and hours reading different newspapers, reading different magazines, online websites, taking notes. Students rely on magazines of various institutes as well. But वो चलो बात की बात है. For you, a more relevant question at this point of time when you are deciding to join GS Foundation is that is there a segment of current affairs lecture also part of your GS Foundation course? Understand this, that current affairs starts generally with GS Foundation course and goes on for minimum of 15 months. जैसे जून में बैच शुरू हो गई, सो जून से अगले जून तक जब प्रीलिम होगी 12 महीने, उसके बाद के 3 महीने जब मेंस होगी, 12 + 3 15 महीने का करंट अफेयर्स का आपका बैचेस होता है. Santosh sir at Level Up, for example, takes current affair lectures every week for 15 months. You ask about current affair, is the current affair completely separate from GS Foundation as a different vertical, or it is integrated with the GS Foundation ka static preparation? If it is not integrated in the course structure, then you will have to do it on your own. Integration आपको तो करना ही पड़ेगा, and then it takes huge amount of time. Every year we get hundreds of students who have finished their GS Foundation elsewhere and they are not able to attend pre या means या अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, क्लियर नहीं होते, और फिर हमारे पास आते हैं कि भाई हमें यहाँ करंट अफेयर्स करना है. वी आर कमर्शियली वेरी हैप्पी, बट एज ए टीचर इट्स वेरी पेनफुल सिनेरियो टू सी कि भाई हज़ारों बच्चे आ रहे हैं and they are not satisfied to GS Foundation. So you have to ask these questions upfront. The sixth parameter is assessments and tests. It's a very important parameter for various reasons. Everyone will claim that they provide regular tests, but ask them exactly how many tests and when in the duration of 10 months. शुरू के 2 महीने सब ठीक होता है, टेस्ट होते रहते हैं, and then gradually things start getting relaxed. Tests get postponed, less tests are conducted. In 10 months at Level Up IAS, we conduct over 40 subjective tests, 40 objective tests, and then separately 25 prelim specific tests. Full length. जब तक आप एक्चुअल एग्जाम में अपीयर होंगे तब तक आपको टेस्ट की इतनी आदत लग गई होगी कि आपको एक्चुअल एग्जाम लगेगा कि भाई इट इज जस्ट लाइक नेक्स्ट मॉक. सो आस्क दिस डिटेल्स of the test and the schedule, and more importantly see if they are in sync with your class schedule. Let us come to the last, and I think that it is now emerging to be the most important parameter, the support system, outside class support system. सब घोड़े 12 टक्के नहीं होते हैं, हर एक की स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस अलग अलग होती है, and so should be their strategies and support structure accordingly. Coaching is not a mass factory, it cannot be. In the last few years, mentoring has become a kind of a new buzzword. इसमें कई सारे संदीप भैयास जो होते हैं, they are appointed as your mentors in the institute who speak to you for 15 minutes, 20 minutes appointments on your request and try to address your problems. It is a very good thing. अगर आपके पास हज़ारों students हैं and teachers can't give time, तो you need to create a middle layer जहाँ टीचर का भी टाइम ज़्यादा ख़राब ना हो. फ्रॉम द इंस्टीट्यूट्स एंगल, फ्रॉम टीचर्स एंगल, ही शुड नॉट बी ओवरवेल्म्ड. एट द सेम टाइम हर बच्चे का क्वेरी सॉल्व होना चाहिए. यू नीड टू हैव टीचर्स असिस्टेंट, लेट अस कॉल देम मेंटर्स. स्टूडेंट्स स्टिल नीड मच मोर सपोर्ट इन देयर प्रिपरेशन, एंड देयरफॉर फ्रॉम दिस ईयर, in our earlier batch, we have started 2 more initiatives going beyond teachers, mentors and toppers. And there is no other institute that I know of at least which provides that kind of support, but you can ask around. In our ongoing GS Foundation batch, you have already integrated these 2 things and it is coming out as a very effective student-centric initiative. पहली बात तो उसमें है weekly study skill sessions on different study skills such as answer writing, PYQ analysis, how to make notes, how to revise, etc. So various strategies are shared and demonstrated in the class every week. And second thing is psychological counseling for individuals as well as in group sessions. What we do here is open up many other things which actually hold many brilliant students back who cannot realize their full potential due to this. So, for example, we help the students in techniques related to inculcating discipline. कि सर सुबह उठ नहीं पाता हूँ, रात को नींद नहीं आती है, बैठ नहीं पाता हूँ, I am not able to concentrate, how to reduce the screen time, how to go for digital detox, how to ensure time management, how to memorize effective techniques of memorization, how to increase mindfulness. At Level Up IS, we are not a social media company, but a traditional coaching. We are not management-led institute, but a teacher-led institution. We are not sales-driven, but rank and result-driven. Come to Level Up IS to level up your preparation. And only if you are serious about your life and exam,